Good morning. Here is your boy Alano Be the Billionaire. So guys, there is too much rain. You can all see. This is like a small trench, and it shows you the kind of floods that we are experiencing. If this is like a small place and it's like this, it means the other places are experiencing very heavy rainfall. And this is my maize. So we are planning on harvesting this, I think by weekend. They are ready for harvest, dry. And in fact, I fear this rain because once it rains too much, it's going to destroy this maize. So my quickest reaction is to make sure that I harvest this maize by Saturday so that the water doesn't get inside. So you see, when you see this maize, they were attacked by birds. So if you leave your maize to be like this when it's raining, it means they're going to be destroyed by those heavy amounts of water inside. So we are planning to harvest them this weekend, and I think all will be well. And my prayers are that it will not rain on Saturday. And the other thing is, I think I'm also planning to do planting this week. And this one, I'm going to do planting without fertilizer. So the reason why I'm choosing to plant without fertilizer is, one, is leaching. You know, when there is too much water inside the soil, so fertilizer will leach. So it will be a waste of my resources, and I don't want to waste those resources. So I'll be planting. Once I do the planting, after the germination, immediately the germination, the first week germination, second week, I will apply fertilizer. Then from there, give the maize, I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we do the first weeding. Then we do second fertilizer. So this is the plan. Maybe this week it's going to be one of the craziest weeks in the field, but I think we shall manage. But apart from that, the other thing that we're also planning is to make sure that when we harvested our first batch of maize, they were too much and they broke our store, so we need to repair the store. So it's also going to be a heavy task for us this week before we put in this maize, because this is 1.5 acres that we have not harvested, and yet the first batch already destroyed our store. But apart from that, everything else is going on very well as we had planned. I'm only late on planting. This one, I can feel it in my heart that I'm running out of time. So I'm going to try and make sure that I plant as early as possible. And also, let me show you, you know, in this field, I planted and we are blessed. There's enough water here. So we're not going to let this water go into waste. So in this field, we have 2 crops. This is the DK833. Then I also have the, you see, it's dry, 100% dry. But there's another breed of maize that I planted, and this is the Pioneer. So the people who planted Pioneer, I have a review for you. It's a very good product, very good maize. But the thing I noticed with the Pioneer is the maturity stage takes a little bit long. So you will see, you just start seeing, once the decay ends, you will start seeing the Pioneer product. So the Pioneer product starts, I don't know where, I don't know. So this is part of the Pioneer. So you can see, yeah, this is Pioneer, very good product. The only maize I don't even encourage farmers to plant, these are the maize I don't think I will encourage farmers, especially the commercial farmers. This maize, if you are commercial farmer, I will not encourage this. I don't know the breed, but this is the Pioneer. You see, very dry. They're drying up. In fact, they are one of the maize that made me delay to harvest this. They're drying. The production was really good. Look at this, very good production. And also the tip of the maize is very heavy. It cannot be destroyed by bats compared to DK. So I think the DK family should improve on. I know it's one of the, when it comes to germination and what, I'm looking for a good word. When it comes to breeding of crops, the DK family should work on this. This tip for this crop, it's very strong, so the water cannot get inside. 1, 2, the birds will not destroy this maize easily compared to DK. 3, as much as it takes long to mature, but the maize quality is top. This maize quality is very top. Look at how big it is. It's very good. So I will plant this in a piece of acre that I'm not in hurry to harvest. If I'm not in hurry to harvest, I'll plant this. But if I'm in hurry, I'll do the DK, because now we are trying to save time. The only crop that I don't think I will plant is this. This crop, it matures. Look at where the hand is. Look, very tall crops. But this one now is very sweet. For the green, for the people who eat the green maize, this is very sweet. Very sweet. This is my neighbor's maize, so very sweet. But for commercial people like me, this is the way to go. The DK family, the Tembo family, maybe, I think so, and the rest. So I am your boy Alano Be the Billionaire. It's a good day. And the Nandi people, see you soon. I'm coming to check your area. Peace. Alano Be the Billionaire. Bye.